This is the Milwaukee Fastback utility knife. Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Unbox a Box. Today, we've got something sharp and exciting to review, the Milwaukee Fastback foldable utility knife with blade storage. Let's dive right in. First impressions are crucial, and Milwaukee nails it with sleek design. Taking a closer look, the build quality feels robust. The handle has a sturdy grip, and the foldable design adds a nice touch of convenience. The Fastback open and close mechanism is the perfect touch to this knife. It's just so smooth. The Fastback comes equipped with onboard blade storage, saving you from fumbling through your toolbox. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. The blade lock ensures safety during use, and the folding mechanism is smooth and reliable. Time for the nitty-gritty. On the positive side, the ergonomic design, Fastback mechanism, and blade storage make it a standout tool. However, keep in mind that the blade change process might be a tad tricky for beginners, as the small button to secure and release the blade requires fine pressure. I reached out to some users who've been using the Fastback, and the consensus is overwhelmingly positive. It's become their go-to utility knife for various tasks, from everyday construction use to DIY projects. Wrapping it up, the Milwaukee Fastback foldable utility knife is a solid investment for anyone in need of a reliable cutting tool. The combination of smart design and functionality makes it a must-have in your toolkit. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific tool you'd like me to review next. Until next time, stay sharp.